Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the new Harbour village in Old Harbour, Jamaica. Now, we've been saying for quite a while that Old Harbour is the fastest growing town in Jamaica because of the highway exit. Now look at this housing development, hundreds of homes. And this is one of 3 developments done by the same company just on the outskirts of Old Harbour. Now, and you have many more developments down here and many more being developed. The only other place in Jamaica that I have seen grown like this is Draxall. But Draxall is not a town, it's a community, or it's a part of the town of St. Anne's Bay. But this is literally 1 minute drive from the town of Old Harbour. And you can access this development from the highway. When you exit off the highway, you're literally here already. You can see it from the highway. And this is very nicely done. This is a modern gated community. These are the type of developments that are being built in Jamaica. You can live in this development and reach Kingston in 15-20 minutes. You can reach a town of Old Harbour that has everything: police station, tax office, supermarket, juicy beef, KFC. Everything is in that town in about 2 minutes. And look at how this development is spaced out. Very nicely done. And that highway exit for Old Harbour made this development possible. There is no way people will be living out here and having to drive on the old road to get to Portmore, Spanish Town, Kingston. This is why the highways are so important. And having a highway is good, but you need an exit. Just recently they opened up the highway from Maypen to Williamsfield. No exit for Clarendon Park. The place is a ghost town now. No exit for Porus. The place is a ghost town now. This should be the model that they use. Old Harbour has a diamond interchange, meaning you can exit and enter the highway from any side of the road. You can get on the highway and go to Kingston from any direction. Portmore, Spanish Town. This is how it's supposed to be. And Old Harbour is flourishing, it's growing because you can get to this town so easily. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of this development. Alright guys, have a good day.